Good morning. It is Wednesday morning and it is again not a very pretty day. I wish like while we were stuck in the house I could at least be decent outside. Just give me that so that I can at least go excuse me, so that I can go out into the yard and at least enjoy some fresh air. I think the sun is supposed to come out later today, so fingers crossed. It clears up a little bit, warms up just a teensy bit, and I think by like this weekend it's supposed to be a good bit warmer, which is nice. My hair, I don't know. You ever have those days where you do your hair and you leave the area where you've done your hair and you look in the mirror one last time and you're like, it looks good, and then you see it again and you're like, ugh, what happened? And I can guarantee you if I go outside in this icky weather and then I look at myself again, I'm gonna be like, ooh, wow, that's not good. I just had breakfast. I fed Ender like 2 hours ago because he wanted to eat and I wasn't quite ready to eat, so I fed him then, and then I went and finished my hair, and you know, now I just ate. So, okay, I did work out this morning and I'm really glad that I'm sticking with it. This week I'm only working out 3 times. I'm gonna work out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's not easy for me to work out. I find it's best if I just wake up early in the morning, work out, take my shower, and then by that time he's normally awake. Like you saw I had curled the bottom half of my hair. That was all I had gotten done before he woke up. So I wake up at 5:30, work out, shower, do what I can before he wakes up. And it's just hard to wake up at 5:30 because that means to get 8 hours I would need to be asleep by 9:30. And last night I didn't finish putting him in bed until just after 9. So, I mean, I can't expect myself. I'm sorry if I have anything in my teeth. I don't think I do. I'm sorry if I did. I just finished breakfast, so. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh my gosh, I really did forget what I was saying. Oh, right. So, yeah, there's no way I was gonna get to sleep by 9:30 last night. So, I'm not tired today, but if I work out every day like that, I'm gonna be tired all the time. So, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna work out every day this week. I can't do that all the time, but every couple of weeks I'll do like a 7-day challenge, which I think is a good thing to do. So you probably wanna see what Ender is doing. This is what he's doing. He has turned over his food truck and is using it as a chair, I guess. He's just hanging out on it. Ender, what you doing, buddy? What you doing? You sitting on your food truck? You're gonna lay down on it. Oh, you've got Pooh Bear over there. No, you're gonna lay down on your food truck. What are you doing? You're thinking about doing something. Yeah, I don't know about anybody else, but I've kind of like lost motivation to do things or much of anything. At least like when it comes to like his nap time, just the past couple of days. But that's probably also because I found out Shameless is free to watch right now. So I've only watched 3 episodes so far because, you know, I can only watch stuff like that while he's napping. I turned the first episode on just to kind of confirm that it was the season that I hadn't seen. Super inappropriate right in the beginning. I was like, Ender, don't watch the TV. So yeah, when I say I'm unmotivated, I'm just unmotivated by the time I put him down for a nap. I just don't feel like doing anything. I've been ordering a lot of stuff online. Oh goodness. I mean, what else are we gonna do? We can't go to the store, so anything we need, we gotta order. I ordered all of like his Easter stuff, so hopefully all that stuff comes in time. I didn't order much. I mean, he'll have plenty in his basket, plenty of things in his basket, but that was really all I ordered, was just basket stuff. And then I did get a thing of eggs, and I got candy to put in the eggs. I don't really know if that was worth it so much. Sorry, there's a fuzzy on the camera. I don't really know if he's gonna understand the candy, but he might like that there's something in the eggs. He also probably doesn't really care. I'm just figuring me and Greg will eat the candy. So maybe I was getting it for myself. I don't know. I don't know what my intent was. Just trying to do something for Easter. Are you gonna hunt Easter eggs, Mr. Ender? Are you gonna hunt for Easter eggs? Do you know what that means? You don't know what that means, do you? That means we'll hide Easter eggs out back, out in the yard, and you'll go find them. But I don't have them yet. Are you gonna sleep on the food truck now? What are you saying? What? What's he saying? Who's on your shirt? Do you have Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck and Pluto and Goofy? Those your buddies? You're being too cute. Let me come over there. Now you're standing in the window of the food truck. So it is a bit wet outside, but we decided to come out anyways. Hopefully not for too long. It's already, I don't actually know what time it is. I probably should know. It's already 1:15, and I want to get him down for a nap by 2. So, sorry. Could I maybe hold the camera a little steady? He likes to put the rocks in the little cubbies on the slide. And I just tried to pour off some of the water so they all fell off, so he's putting them back. Right? You're putting them back? Mommy messed it all up? Trying to tell him that it's too wet to get on there. He's not listening. I don't have anything to dry it off with. That's right, Dad. Bring us some paper towels. What's he doing? Is he in a meeting? He needs to quit working and bring us out some paper towels. I'm kidding, Ender. I'm kidding. He's busy right now. Ender, did you get to see deer this morning?
I did.
A deer? Where were they? Do you remember? Do you remember where they were?
Yes.
Did Daisy scare them off? She barked at them and then they ran off. Run, 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 run. Oh my gosh, it is too cold to be out here. You can't see what you're doing. Goofball. He pulls his hat down so he can't see, and then he runs around. You're a nut. Do you think you're funny? You barking? That's okay. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at those feet. Yeah, are they wet? Are your shoes wet? Pants are gonna be wet. We're gonna have to change them. You're too cute. Yeah. Uh-oh, did you drop your rock? Where'd it go? Is it right there? Oh, good. Don't throw it. I know. I was standing here just smiling at him, and then I realized why he was smiling at me, because he was thinking about throwing it. We don't throw rocks. Yeah. What? What? What?